everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very healthy and tasty almond, cashews, coconut, char mugs recipe, and I'm going to make Badam Ladoo. It will be almonds energy ball. The ingredients I'm going to use: 2 cup almonds, 1 cup cashew, 1 cup coconut, half cup char mugs, brown sugar, 1 cup, sugar to taste. You can add more or you can add less. These are 4 dates. We'll cut into small pieces. You can substitute dates with raisin. Then desi ghee. This is clarified butter. It's a homemade. I have a poster video on my channel. Please check it out. First thing we're going to do, we're going to dry roast them on low flame. Once these all get dry roasted, then we're going to use the chopper and we're going to grind it. Then we're going to mix them together. So let's start making our delicious Badam Ladoo. Get a fry pan. I'm going to start gas and keep the gas on medium-low flame. Add almonds. We're going to dry roast them. So keep it moving so they won't get burned. Once they get dry roasted, then we're going to take this one out. Almonds are nicely roasted. This is all we need. I'm going to take out into the pot so that it will cool down faster. And now we're going to bring char mugs and we're going to dry roast them also. So keep it moving. This one doesn't take that long. This one is already, if you see, they'll start to change color. So we will take out this one. Now we're going to bring the cashew and on medium-low gas, keep it moving. The cashews are done too. So we'll take out into the pot so that it can cool down. We'll bring the coconut and keep it moving. The coconut is also done. We're going to turn off the gas and keep it moving, and we'll take out in a plate so that it can cool down. All the dry nuts are cooled down. Get a mixing bowl. The coconut has been cooled down. Well, this is a really powdered coconut. If you have a coconut flake, then it's a good idea you put it inside your chopper. If you have a powder, then this is good. Dates, I cut into small pieces. So we're going to put this one in. We're just going to make sure that we combine it. The reason I added with the coconut, because dates tend to stick together. So this way we can separate it out. So as you see, nicely coated. Now we're going to use the ultimate chopper. Open it, place the almonds. And this is perfect. This one look really nice powder. So the same way, finish doing the almond. This is all done. Look at this. This is all done. We're going to make sure that we take it out. This is how it looks now. We can mix it again. So as you see, it's nicely combined. Now we can bring the char mugs. And we're going to do the same thing. It doesn't take that long. It's nicely powdered. Now we're going to do the same thing with the cashews. it's all done. We'll take it out. And look at this. How nice, smooth, powdery. So the cashews are done as well. And now we're going to mix them well. Make sure that it's nicely combined. So keep it moving, just like this. Once it's nicely combined, now we add brown sugar. And mix it well again. So make sure that it's nicely combined. Sugar is always according to taste. And now we're going to bring the last ingredient, desi ghee, the clarified butter. That's going to help to bind the almond laddus. So I will bring desi ghee. And we're going to mix it well. So add some more. So altogether we added 1/4 cup. And mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, and now we're going to form the laddus. Make sure your hands are clean, and we're going to grab this much and we're going to make a nice shaped laddu. So you have to keep pressing it hard. Once I form it, it does become like a ball, but it does break it. So what we need to do, we're going to add 1 more tablespoon of desi ghee. So I'll add 1 more tablespoon desi ghee. And we're going to mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, then we're going to form the laddus again. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to start forming the laddu again. So after adding 1 more tablespoon desi ghee, now it's better. See, this is how we're going to make the laddu. I'll make one big one. As you see, this is how we're going to keep making almond balls. As you see, the laddus are formed. But I will bring 1 more tablespoon of desi ghee. That will help to make bind better. So I'll bring 1 more tablespoon desi ghee. Altogether, we added 1/2 cup desi ghee in this mixture. Make sure that it's nicely combined. And now we're going to form the laddus again. So we grab this much. So after adding 1 more tablespoon desi ghee, altogether we added 1/2 cup. The laddu form very easily, that it becomes nice and good ball size. So I'm going to keep continuing making the laddus like this, and I will finish up the whole thing. I'm almost done. As you can see, this is the last one. All the laddus are made. So let me share with you. Very healthy and nutritious almond laddu. This is very healthy and nutritious, and especially it's a winter time. 1 laddu a day will give you a lot of energy. Badam Ladoo. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share. Please subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.